You got paid on Friday. It is Tuesday. The account still shows money, but you have no idea how much of it is actually safe to spend. Sound familiar? Here is the truth. You are not bad with money. The problem is that one account is trying to do 5 jobs at once: rent, food, fun, safety, and your future. And your brain loses that fight every single day. Your money needs lanes, not one big parking lot. In the next 4 minutes, you will build the exact setup that fixes this. For steps, in the right order, nothing complicated. Look at the difference. One messy pile means every purchase is a guess. Named accounts mean every dollar already has a job before the month starts. A messy account is a leaking bucket. It does not matter how much you pour in. It leaks from holes you cannot even see. And here is the real cost. A surprise bill hits. There is no buffer. It lands on a credit card, and now you are paying interest on an emergency. So before investing, before apps, before advice, first, fix the system. Step 1. Separate your money. Watch what happens when you split one pile into labeled jars. That is the whole idea. Here is the exact setup. A main checking account where salary lands. A bills account for rent and utilities. An emergency fund for protection. A savings account for goals. And an investing account for the future. On payday, the split happens first. Salary lands, and the money moves to its homes before you can accidentally spend it. That is the trick. Instead of 100 small decisions every month, you decide once. Step 2. Before money grows, money needs protection. A car repair. A medical bill. A job loss. A broken phone. Life does not ask if it is a good time. Without a buffer, one bad week becomes credit card debt. With a buffer, the same week is annoying, but not dangerous. And listen carefully, do not invest this money. Emergency money stays boring, safe, and easy to reach. Do not aim for 6 months of expenses on day 1. Build a small starter fund first, then 1 month, then 3, then 6. Step 3. The budget. This is why most budgets fail. They are guilt spreadsheets, written after the money is already gone. Keep it to 4 buckets. Needs keep your life running. Wants keep it fun, with a limit. Savings build your safety. Investing builds your future. You do not need a perfect budget. You need to see where the money goes, because you cannot fix what you cannot see. Now, the mistake most beginners make: investing money they actually need. Rent money goes into stocks. The market drops. Suddenly you are selling at the worst possible moment. Not because the investment failed, but because the money was never free to invest. Safe money stays safe. Only long-term money gets invested. Step 4. Now, and only now, start investing. Before you buy your first stock or fund, check the ladder. Accounts are the foundation. The emergency fund and budget are the walls. Investing is the roof. Start small. For most beginners, broad index funds or a retirement account beat chasing hot stocks, because the habit matters more than the amount. The best beginner plan is boring enough that you will actually follow it. Here is your move, today, not someday. 5 lanes for your money. Main checking, bills, emergency fund, savings goals, investing. Count how many you already have. Then comment below which one you are missing. And do not open 5 accounts today. Just open the first missing one this week. For most people, that is the bills account or the emergency fund. 10 minutes online. And that is the whole transformation. One account doing 5 jobs becomes 5 lanes, where every dollar already knows its job. Your money was never messy because of you. It was messy because it had no map. Now it has one. If this helped, subscribe. We fix one money problem at a time, in plain language.